Let's explore how to navigate roundabouts. There are 4 important rules to remember when using a roundabout. Slow down as you approach the roundabout. Check for pedestrians. Yield to all traffic already in the roundabout. And use your turn signals. Let's examine what to do when continuing straight through a roundabout. This is us at the top of your screen. Remember that we must first yield to any vehicles already in the roundabout. Once it's clear, we can begin driving counterclockwise around the central island. Then, use your right turn signal to indicate your exit and leave the roundabout. Let's now take a look at making a right turn. Here we are again at the top of the screen. Since we are making a right turn, we must signal right as we wait and yield to traffic already in the roundabout. Once clear, simply make a right-hand turn. Now let's take a look at how to make a left turn. Here we are again at the top of the screen. This time we must signal left to show that we intend to turn left. When it's clear, enter the roundabout and drive counterclockwise around the central island. As you approach your exit, signal right to indicate that you will be exiting.